Today is March 31st, Friday, almost 1 p.m. And we're fulfilling our commitment to give everybody a glimpse of what we call the swing machine on an intraday basis. We lovingly refer to it as the putting machine as well. This is a 10-minute interval. 10-minute interval. This is the swing machine. A lot of flashing lights and so forth, but it is still a skill to trade. It runs off of a particular strategy that we call the zinger. It tells us whether we should be long, whether we should be short, if prices are rallying against the short, if they're dipping on the long. It can work for futures, stocks, ETFs. It works beautifully on daily, weekly, and monthly. The greater the time frame, as everyone should know, the more significant the signal. However, if you are an intraday trader, this also works out beautifully. I've been asked how to avail oneself of our technology. There's a couple of different ways. You can join as a member and get a video of how the swing machine is positioned on the closes of all the markets, futures, ETFs, and stocks, so that you can plan accordingly. Plus, we also got additional dynamic screens running that are very, very unique in terms of volatility. So you know where to put your money, where the jello is moving on the plate. If you're interested in the intraday aspect, once again, you can join as a member, and we are launching starting next week an intraday view, hopefully from 8 to 4 on our 10-minute. It is not a trading room as such. We're not going to be in there chatting away. You can come in and go and see what you need to see to back up the charting and the skills that you already possess or are honing. But if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Feel free to drop us an email. And today, the VIX is long, been long for 22 10-minute segments, so 220 minutes ago, up 100. The TF went long 140 minutes ago, up 230. 310 minutes ago on the ES, up 200. 200 minutes ago on the NQ, up 250. And just to show, we're going to have more stocks in here, but Amazon went long 33 10-minute segments ago on our swing machine, and that would be 330 minutes. This is just one share, so 100 shares, you'd be up 1,520. The Dow is in a short mode. She's rallying in price. That's from 210 minutes ago, and she's basically flat. The rest of the profit and loss you can see: 25 on the euro, down 35 on the Canadian dollar, 418, 10, 180, 531, 187, 171, 380, 550, 125, 110, 130. Gasoline 676. That gas 250. And we even go down into the grains if interested. We have confirming indicators that tell us if the trend is starting to pick up on the long side or if we're getting a counter trend short. We even give the wind direction. And most importantly, we give the pen placement. On a daily chart, we give you the fairway width and tell you where you are on the fairway. Once again, this is not a crystal ball. It does have losing trades, but it tells you where the market is and where it is. And you can use this as an adjunct to your trading skills, to your charting, whether you use time charts or where this does use time, if you're using price charts, you can begin to trade with absolutely surgical precision. Once again, I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or drop us a line. or check us out at stockmarketcaddy.com. In order to avail yourself of any of this technology, you must be a member. If you have an interest in leasing aspects of our technology, or you want us to help you write a specific indicator, a specific strategy, we can help you. We can tell you specifically what that would cost. It just depends on the time involved. More importantly, if it's a specific strategy, we're very proficient at back testing and forward testing. We can tell you before you commit too much time or too much money whether, in our opinion, the strategy has any prospect of making money over the long term. That in itself we think would be worth the investment. Once again, Bag of Don at stockmarketcaddy.com.